Hi, SFAR community. I know there's a lot of emotion surrounding the cyber attack that affected Rapatoni last Wednesday, August 9th, early in the morning. Rapatoni, for the most part, has done everything that they can to get their servers back up online and running and restore service for us. They've decrypted locked out files, they've even taken backups, started up new servers, and tried to create a new MLS. To date, neither of those things has worked for them. For their part, they're trying to restore and have a fully functioning MLS system for us immediately. It's not for a lack of effort. The one thing we will say is that nothing short of a fully functioning MLS system with every component working is acceptable to either this association, our agents, and our clients. In the past 48 hours, we've been fortunate enough to have our technology team create, with our strategic partners at Zenlist and Zillow Technology Group, an alternative for our vendors to take data feeds from. This allows the ability to add and edit listings, and right now we were up and running with Zillow. This is unheard of in the MLS space for a repair to be done in such a short period of time. We've sent the link to other vendors, but we've moved so fast that they have to change their data to accept this. We're working with them to get them up online, and once we have the new vendors up and online as soon as possible, we will notify you to allow you to see where these syndication channels are going to. If you have a new or current listing in the MLS that needs to be updated, contact Zenlist support and they will help you move your listing over to the platform from an old MLS file and walk you through the steps on how to edit and change that. Again, that will be syndicated to Zillow. It is up and running and live right now. They can help you edit your open house times, and they can help you put in additional information that you may want to share about the property. I want to thank you for your patience on this and your support. We've got a lot that's going on, and we know that we have a lot more to do. Just like COVID, when it interrupted our workflow programs, we decided to take a second, figure out how we're going to move past it, and we created solutions to the problem at hand. That's where we're at now. This is a fluid situation and things are changing constantly. We can do that here as well. I want to thank you for your time. Be safe out there, sell some properties, and we'll give you an update just as soon as possible.